Yo, happy Friday, everybody. What's up? Welcome in. Welcome in back to the stream. It's Friday, September 20th. It's a very special day today for multiple reasons. Multiple reasons. One, it's Friday. I mean, come on. It's just Friday, right? Two, iPhone 11 is out today. And three, Area 51 raid today, right now, in Las Vegas. It's going to be an eventful day full of memes. That's all I got to say. That's all I got to say. Oh, man. Eventful, memeful day. That's all I have to say. Especially this. Let's take a little look at this. Why is the quality so bad? Why is the quality so bad? Here we go. Just look in this way. Oh, Naruto kid in the background. Just gotta love it. Gotta love it. Hey, Roars, Alien Raid's today. I didn't realize that today was the day, but today's the day. We got aliens coming into our world, hopefully. Hopefully we do. Oh man, welcome in everybody. Thanks for coming by today. Sorry about yesterday. I woke up with a really bad stomachache yesterday, and it honestly didn't go away all day. I don't know why. It's got like some food poisoning or something. Who fucking knows? But today I'm feeling much better. So glad to be here. I'm ready to code up some React stuff. Been thinking about this for a while. You need to raid someone post stream with an alien name. You're right. We got to change up the raid message. Be like, the aliens have come to rip my bun. Yo, James. Welcome in, man. How's it going, dude? Nice to see you. Yo, is the Call of Duty beta just for the weekend? Just thinking about it. And like, I know if I buy the game, I can get access to the beta, but like, I don't know if I really want to buy the game. Gyms. The beta is going open access later today? Oh shit. All right. That's it's good. Good to know. Thank you. Roar sat. Calling him Jin now. 42 gigabyte download though? Ah, that's cool. That's a massive download though. What the hell? It's actually really good to know. Great. But what do we even do on Wednesday? The last thing we did was added action for dismiss overlay. Currently in process setting up. Oh right, we were walking through some state management stuff. So that's going to be the plan for today. Today we're going to finish up some state management for adding our playlist, loading up our mock data, and yeah, I think that's a good place to begin with and start. Yeah, okay, I remember now. So we had this like crazy action that we passed all the way down here. Create action, our add modal, create action to our add playlist button, and then oh right, our create playlist JSON. And I think we were having some issues somewhere. State management. Woo! It's gonna be a good time. We're gonna manage the state real good. Sounded kind of weird. Sorry. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started then. And get our stuff up and running here. React Native, run, iOS. All right. What? And I'm also curious. iOS 13 comes out today. Or it came out yesterday. Man, so people with iPhones have probably already been getting the updates. It's freaking great. iOS 13 dark mode is finally here. Oh my god. I don't need Redux to overkill the next week. On stays a complete mess. I should use Redux. Yeah, I have a feeling it's going to be something like that for us as well. But I'm starting off with just regular, good old, I guess just regular state management, right? So we're going to go from there. And like, again, this is just pretty much with mock data. So not a huge deal, but, yeah, hopefully it doesn't end up like that. Watch out, Jim. She's got the fish out. It's usually never a good sign. Jim. All right, I don't even remember what happened. So let's go here. Clear this shit out. Oh, I think I remember what happened. We were getting some like super weird object. Alec. Yeah, okay. So at this point, the ID, I don't know what was going on there. It was the name. Okay. Yeah, the name, we're getting this dispatch config target, whatever the heck it is. And then we're trying to set the name property within in our playlist, and it's like, bro, that's not a string. Wait, really? It's crazy. Please use a component. Stop using hooks. Okay, so yeah, let's first look at why our name value at playlist modal. So I was thinking that it had something to do with this React use state stuff, but I don't think that's the case. Because if that was the case, then you would also assume that our members would come back, but we're also getting an array of nothing. Of like 0 members. So I'm kind of also confused by that. Like something really weird. What's up, Shuba? Welcome in. But I turned React hook function to a class and it all magically worked. It's magical. Hey, Poopa, welcome in, dude. Nice to see you, man. How's it going? I wonder if it has something to do with... So, set state string. No, I was saying maybe can't pass it in there, but let's look at the React Native input. Maybe I missed something. Yeah, so this is the example I followed. Basically, value, change text, useless state, text input takes this thing called text, value is value. Oh, no, but I changed that, right? Like I'm not, value is playlist name value. Okay, yes. And that's how it shows up in our actual playlist, right? Or that's like how it will show up in the text box, else it wouldn't be showing up. Did you push your latest commit? With this stuff, no, I haven't yet. I don't think. I don't remember. Oh no, yeah, the stuff that we're doing with the state, I haven't pushed yet. I wanted to get at least the action working and try to debug. No, don't worry about it, dude. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. I'm trying to understand. Wonder if we can do rack dot use state. Empty string or something. I wonder if there's a special way to do that. Okay, yeah, this is definitely not what I was looking for. Hook router so much nicer than React router. Oh, I didn't even realize there was a hook router. Go to the toJSON method. Yeah, maybe what we should do is start off by seeing what we're even getting in here, right? Oh, this is probably, oh, that's why we're getting an empty array, because members is being passed in as nothing, right? I guess I gotta double check. I don't know. But let's start by printing out what we get here. And then at least we can see. It's an npm package and it's lovely. Let's do this dot name. And we'll do also this dot ID because we're getting some weirdness with that too. My name is playlist, and then Alec. Okay, so we have this guy here. Why is this coming back as a class? Right? And then we have object here. And our toJSON. Oh, right. ID is name plus rando num. That makes sense. Okay. So name plus rando num, right? I forgot about that. And so our first print statement was for name. So we're getting this class thing. And then we're getting this. But what is this class? Why? What is this? Type null. Okay. Have you seen the new SwiftUI and the new Xcode? Yes, I have. It's incredible, right? I haven't played around with it, but it's super cool. Super cool. Oh, nice, James. Dude, I love this playlist. I don't like usually listen to this type of music, but for some reason on stream, it's like, I love it. It's called Low Key Tech on Spotify. If you look it up, it's very good. This is Boris, by the way. Yeah. If you actually head over there, dude, you can add some of your own songs, and you can check out what's actually playing right now. All right, so we're passing in this dot name is being set to some object. So let's go to our playlist constructor and let's see what's going on here. Because create playlist action, then whatever is being passed in here is that object thing. So let's go find this guy on press create playlist action with the name. And so add playlist button. Let's start there. Where did we add that? Here, right? Playlist name value. Again, this is where that is. That's weird. I wonder. Let's see what we get here. I'm curious if for some reason, since wonder if this is not actually updating, right? Because if my understanding is correct, you're doing this gets rendered, right? The component gets rendered, or the hook, and then this gets rendered one time as well. But there's nothing set up in there yet, right? I was assuming on update. I don't know how that works though in React. Like, once this is set up, does it still keep passing playlist name and member's name back over here? Right? Does that make sense? I don't know if that sentence made any sense, but basically what I'm trying to say is it updating in our button component. Oh, nice, James. Sweet, dude. I'll take a look at it. Thank you. Yeah, I like it. Deep debugging, God. I think you gave me a bad tummy, so I'm going to take a nap. No! Why did I do that? I'm so sorry. I feel bad. I hope you feel better, Royce. Just pass an object with name. Got it. Okay. Yeah, let's try that after this, Poopa. Okay, yeah, that's what I was thinking too. Like, it makes sense. So we should get that log statement every time, right? Like as we type. So let's do that. Yeah. Okay. So you're right. So it does work like that. We're getting our values, and then members. Okay. Cool. So that we know that works. So we can rule that out. So then the other one is what Poopa's saying, which is to create it without using the new playlist, just passing the object with name. Yeah, because it must, you would think it would probably be something like that. So basically we just do playlist J playlist, and we can just set this equal to essentially this. name. And then for now, we can just pass in the members. Not a huge deal. Broken path, yeah. We'll go like that. Let's see what happens there. All right, we still get an error. Oh, that's because I didn't. I created the J playlist, but I didn't do anything. Oops. We want to do that. My bad. Yes, thank you. Oh, for VS Code, this is actually Adam. I think it's called Adam Black. Where are you, friend? Adam One Dark Theme. That's the one. Yeah. Yes, sir. We haven't done VS Code stuff in a while, so I don't have a lot of those commands set up, but maybe I should start. No, I don't think it was that. I think name and members are coming back as something jacked up. I've been waiting for Dracula theme keycap set all year, and it's finally going to be group by the start of the next month. Oh, that's dope, dude. That's awesome. Yeah, Dracula's a nice theme. Something weird is going on. Yeah, something weird is going on. So this is happening right here, dude. So we're passing in this. And so we saw that name and members was coming through no problem. It's just when you press the add playlist button. So when you select the add playlist button here, when you do a press, on press, create playlist action, which is calling this guy. So at this point, our values are janky. Create action, that's right here. Create playlist action. Yeah, and so at this point, this is where we're instantiating our object, logging some stuff out, and then our create action gets hit here. But I believe even before this, because we're logging this here. Oh, I guess we should probably log this one to verify. On press create playlist action. Oh, so it's like it's a lambda just calling this guy is what you're saying. This is okay, yeah, this was the part that I was kind of confused about. Gotcha. So create playlist action, and then so since we're passing name and members in here, okay, so let's do this, because I think you are right. We'll just remove the params from the function. Oh, that's also like super valid too. Why did I pass the params in there in the first place? Yeah, I kind of like that idea better. Like, why do we need that when we can just do this. You could have pass and on press when it handles everything for you. Yeah, so that's what I sort of, I mean, not really, I guess. The create action should have been, should do that. So maybe we should do that instead. Yeah, maybe we should do that. But yeah, let's try this out, I guess, first. And then if that works, we can refactor a little bit. Cool, thank you both. Appreciate it. Yo, James, if I wanted to build my own keyboard, how might one get into doing that? I've been wanting to build one for a really long time. But like I don't know the best place to go. There we go. Something was added. Hey. We did it. We got a new playlist. Look at that. Looky there. It worked. Now I realize that we're going to need some delete action now for each of these. Uh-oh. Damn delete actions. Hell yeah, thanks Poopa, and thanks James. Appreciate your help with that. And that's actually really cool. So it auto updates for you, which is really nice. Yeah, that's actually one really nice thing that iOS doesn't have. So all the way up in our playlist here, create playlist action, set playlist, takes our array and then applies it there. Cool. So I'm actually going to remove 2 of these for now. Depends on budget and the important decision of switch type and form factor. Okay. I mean, like, I don't know. I've like when I buy my own keyboards, right? Like what I can, depending on the type of keyboard, like I can spend between 60 to like 150 bucks, right? So that seems like a pretty solid range, I would say. What's up, Ignite? Welcome in. Thanks for coming by. Cool. So that worked. Nice. So let's go ahead now and let's clean this up a tad. Let's put some comments here. And so we're going to create the actual action here. This was create playlist action, and this is just going to equal this dude here. And pretty much what we want to do is we want to take our create action. Oh, Jesus. I hate when I do that. Oh, wait a minute. I think... Oh, no. I guess I can do the dismiss overlay over there as well. So essentially, it's literally just this. I think that price range will be looking at a pre-built keyboard from a company. Oh, so they can vary starting at, okay, that's what I'm trying to ask. Yeah, yeah. So around 300 bucks. Yo, thanks, Glitched Out. Appreciate it for the link. Saving this. Nice. Yes, this is good. Like I would be down to do that, for sure. I feel like I definitely need to read up on it more, but I think that subreddit will be a great place to start. I'd be really interested in doing that. Okay, so we have this thing here called create playlist action. And this guy is going to create our new playlist with our name and members. And that needs to actually be playlist name value and then members name value. And then we do create action, which is passed in here with the playlist that we created. And then on dismiss, we do that. Pass that in there. And then we can remove this. Pass in our create action. And then create action is what gets called there. Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean, basically I was trying to think of more so just like where to go to buy parts, you know? Like obviously research is something I understand, like different switch types and things like that, and form factors, but more curious on like a good place to buy these parts. All right, cool. So we start with those two playlists. And say, I am a new playlist. We have Alec, ya boy, Clark. Playlist is not defined. Okay. I think I probably missed. This is not defined. Oh, I didn't import it probably. Right? Yeah. Def what it is. So let's import playlist here. Let's try again. Oh, should probably do this better. No, it's not there. There we go. Gotcha. Yeah, I don't know what I want yet. Just it was a very like broad and general question, but that's crazy. Why does it take so long to get stuff from all over? Place is still not defined? What? Did I add it to the right spot? Yes, I did. Let me try restart my bundler. Maybe that's it. Gotcha. Okay. So there isn't like a one-stop shop for a lot of a lot of like keyboard parts that you can get in general. I guess that's like kind of like a niche thing, right? Daddies. Oh God. Okay, there we go. I just had to restart the bundler and now navigation is not defined. So let's make sure we bring in the navigation. But I thought navigation was defined here. I guess not. Okay. So we're not going to need that. And then navigation constants, we will also need. There we go. Okay. I think we're almost in business. Let me restart the bundler as well, just because I think we'll have the same issue. All right. The QC is poor. Nah, like if you're gonna, yeah, if you wanna, feel like you probably just want something that's like I would rather wait for something that has better quality, right? Syntax, add playlist modal, unterminated string constant. Oh, nah. Let's try this again. All right, all right. Oh God, man, I'm excuse me, I'm being so clumsy. Keep forgetting that I just moved this from another file. Okay. Let's try this again. Yeah, boy. Alec, yeah, boy. There we go. All right. It's magical. It is magical. My latest key was like 100K USD. Jesus. Wow, that's a lot of money, man. But hey, it's your hobby, right? And you love it. So more power to you, dude. That definitely is a lot of money, though. I don't know if I'd go that far. Okay, so I think we're good to commit. We got a working action here in state management. We did it. We did it, folks. And that was me paying retail price. People pay over retail. Jesus. Dude, that's insane, man. Wow. But those things must be pretty... Yeah, I was going to say, this almost sound like sneakers. You know, like sometimes when they're like a new sneaker brand or whatever that comes out and they're like super collectible because there's only a set amount of them. It's pretty cool. Sounds like Supreme. Yeah, dude, for real. I resell sneakers like, here, dude, start reselling keyboards. What the heck? You're in the wrong business, man. All right, let's check over what we changed. So we added imports for React navigation, added a new lib playlist, blah, blah, blah. Created our new no, so this is create playlist object. Run action to create playlist. Dismiss. Cool. And then we added our create playlist action. So that looks good. And now we have also our add button JS. Yeah, dude, for sure. I think the biggest thing for me is I want to build it myself. But I definitely will start doing some research to understand like what's out there, and would love to get your feedback on it, dude. Would really appreciate that. Okay, so we added a create action here. Create action is a pass prop, blah, blah, easy. Add playlist button. We remove some shit here. Let's just put it like that. Pass in our create action, added our create action there. That looks good too. And then playlist view. Added some mock data here that we have, so that's good. Added, oh yeah, we added hook stuff here, right? So playlist and set playlists. Use state empty array, and then render item. And then use effect. Set playlist mock data. And then create playlist action view. Perfect. Oh, sketch document designs apparently I changed. And then style constants. And then we added lib. Cool. We did good. Huh. Switch lube. Duly noted. Rama works. Oh, dude, these look sick. No wonder, I totally get it. Nice. Wow. Those look awesome. Adding functional create playlist action. All right. Awesome. So now we have our create playlist stuff intact. Oh, we should probably handle that, right? Probably handle the case where there's nothing entered. So let's write this down, I guess. The first thing is, so action, create playlist, action, and state management is good to go. Need to add the following tweaks. Check for nothing being entered in the playlist name field. Members field is optional. Members field is optional. If you ever want GMK Dracula keycaps, they go on PR on the 4th, probably for only a short period of time, once week to a month of orders. Oh, dude, those look so sick. I love those. So like, how much are these usually? Oh, those are cool. Like just the keycaps themselves. Those are sick. What the hell? Gotcha. Yeah, yeah. So you'd buy like your base module and then like the space bar and then like depending on what you're going with. Cool. Okay, so it was making sure that we do that. We need to also, I guess it's not really part of the like create playlist view. Or I guess it is. Delete method for playlists, right? It's probably a good one. And then I think that's it, right? So we need a way to delete a playlist. Then we need a way to check for empty. Check for an empty field. Okay. All right. Let's do that then. Not too bad. Yeah, the arrow module looks awesome. Looks insane. Dude, these are so cool. Holy crap, man. These are dope. I love it. Yeah, thanks for sharing, man. Thank you. Those are... Oh, well, no. Not Siri. Oh, hold on. I got to make sure that my phone's updated. You know what I mean? Yeah, hold up. I got to make sure I'm all backed up. I don't know why I just thought of this right now. For that new iPhone that's coming in today. Let's go. I mean, that is the job of Siri, right? To always just be waiting for your next beckoning request. Yo, Lipe Llama, what is up? Thank you so much for the follow, friend. Glad to have you here as part of the Pixelogic team. Welcome in. All right, let's add something where it doesn't create that thing. You know what I mean? Can we add like button state? Is that a thing that we can do? Probably. So we have playlist button. In our playlist view, we have our create playlist action. No, in our playlist modal, we have our create playlist action. And so right here, we need to check if name is entered. So if name, oh man, I keep thinking in C#. I was thinking of doing like string dot is empty and then pass in the name. So easy. In JavaScript, you can't do that. They don't have that. Is there an is empty on a string though? Name dot is empty? No, right? Yeah, that's not a thing. I guess we can just do Lodash has is empty. Okay. I've heard a lot about Lodash, but I've never actually used it. You just do length? Is that really like the best way to do it? Yeah, I guess you could do this as well, right? Oh, or just any value. Would this also be acceptable? This looks like it would accept null, undefined, or because it's not a bool, right? Yeah, or you can, I guess, like write something like that. Oh, okay, and then this one you're saying Poopa. Testing the length property can actually be faster than testing the string against string because the interpreter won't have to create a string object from the string literal. Yeah. Nice. This is actually some good insight. Empty string is false, yeah. UHF is equal to? Yeah, glitch, that's true. I used to do if... Oh, okay. If string is undefined, it'll get an error. Yeah, so I think we should just do then if name. Or playlist name value. Yeah, because you're right. This probably could... There is potential that could be undefined. So if playlist name value, we'll go ahead and create our playlist. Oh, no, I guess we should check for the false case, right? So you can just use if not string. Yeah. Okay, cool. I want to start using TypeScript more. It looks fancy. TypeScript is pretty dope. I use it at work. It's actually pretty great. Yeah, it's like, it makes JavaScript better. Easy way to say it. So if playlist name value is false, what do we want to do? I think what we want to do really is actually just set the button state. So on this add playlist button, for now what we can do, we can just set the opacity of the button to like disabled. But since this isn't technically like a button, we need to figure out how to do that. It turned out a giant mess. Yeah. Oh, nice, estranged. That's good. TypeScript's a great place to start. Because it's not a button. Yeah, I think it's going to not do this. Oh, this is about changing the text. Got it. Okay. So I need to do opacity. In this view, we need to probably handle it somehow. Oh, you can disable touch wheel opacity with just disable true false. Oh. Okay. Yeah, that sounds like exactly what I was looking for. Sweet, thank you. And then all we have to do is say, oh, since we don't, yeah, we don't have the name in here, we're probably going to have to pass in like is disabled or something. And is disabled can just be a flag based on our one prop, right? So is disabled, or we just pass in disabled. Disabled. And then in here, for this, yeah, that should set up as being falsy. Yeah, exactly. And then here, disabled to disabled. Yeah, nice. Okay, so now we just need to change the styling on that, right? So if disabled, oh, you know what'd be cool? We changed the border color. That would probably be like a nice indicator for now. So we can say, yeah, this name value, add playlist button, and this button will basically say button text. I can probably say border color. Yeah, so we can say disabled. If disabled, we want to do this. Else we want to do oh, it's on. Oh, shit. Yeah, since our style's on the outside, I forgot about that. Thought that would be a cool way to do it. Pass disabled to style button. Oh. Wait, pass disabled to style button. Disabled blah. So you're saying I can do this? Oh, snap. On the right side? Oh, like literally like this. Gotcha. Okay. And then we got to set it up as a function, right? A lambda. Yeah. All right, that's actually pretty cool. Yeah, I guess I didn't think about that. Oh, and it shouldn't be object. But doesn't it have to be? Doesn't it have to be? What's that thing? Doesn't have to be deconstructed. There's the word. Wow, that took me a long time to say that. Deconstructed. So these can be functions as well then. That's cool. Nice. Yeah, thanks for that. God, we got the freaking React god over here. What? That's interesting, but it doesn't update. Oh, right, because I didn't pass. I always forget that part. I didn't pass it in. Thanks, dude. I'm like, this looks wrong. I always forget about, you know, you add some stuff, you got to create it. Disabled button. Disabled. Nice. Okay, cool. So if disabled, we want it the other way around, obviously. So now we just need to get a disabled color. Yo, Dartle on Montano. What is up? Thank you so much for the follow, friend. Welcome to the Pixelogic team. Glad to have you here. Trying to think, maybe let's make a copy of this. Yeah, maybe something like that. Let's see how this looks in here. Then we go from there. Yeah, there we go. It looks pretty good. We should probably change the font color a little bit too. So let's add this first into our styles constant. Oops, that's not what I'm looking for. Export const, add playlist button, disabled border color. Damn, what a prop name. Nice. Sweet. I'm gonna buy lighter springs for my keyboard switches. Gotta desolder every single switch. Rip. Jesus. Oh, man. I didn't realize you could... That sounds terrible, man. But it'll be a good time. We'll just get better at soldering, right? That's all that matters at that point. Okay, so let's do the same thing over here. Oops. We're going to do disabled. And then our color. Disabled. We're going to do this. Else. We want the add playlist modal. I want that text color. This is base font. Well, that doesn't seem right. Let me try this color, the input bottom, border bottom stuff. Actually, we want this. Like that. All right. And then pass in this to button text. There we go. Did I forget a comma or something? Oh. Did the other way around? There we go. Add playlist button, disabled border. Oh, I think I forgot an equal sign. I don't know how that went away. That was weird. What's up, Mongo? Come on, base font color. Yeah, it's it looks like I missed an equal sign. So yeah. That doesn't look like the font color I want. Oh, because I have the logic messed up. That's why. God damn it. Wait. If disabled is true. Yeah, that's right. Okay. And then let's do it also on the font size stuff as well. Let's do regular, or do I have? I don't think I have a like a regular font. Wait. I don't. So I guess what I could do, if disabled, Could I do a... I have to put something, right? Yeah. What's a... What's a good... Excuse me. I'll have to put a default case for this, right? But now that I think about it, maybe it won't look that good. I guess let's see what it looks like first. Yeah. Nice. Okay. I'm cool with that. So that looks good. We doing it. So check for nothing being entered in playlist name field. Gotcha. Let's commit that. Adding check for playlist name field validation. Very good. We pushed it. All right, next. Oh, I realize we need something else too. We're going to need way to close modal. Right now you can't do anything. You gotta add stuff or you're stuck in there. Members field is optional. Cool. And then delete method for playlist. So this one will be interesting. I have this like thought of doing a kind of just like swipe, right? So like you take it and you swipe it, and then that's how you delete it, right? I think that should be pretty standard in like in iOS at least. I don't know in Android, but I think in Android it's probably the same. But let's see. We're using a flat list, right? So let's see how we can get that in React Native. React Native flat list swipe to delete. Because that's the thing that is native in a table view in iOS. So that's why just by passing in a param. Okay, so in React Native, UI table view equivalent is called list view. In terms of presenting the items, UI table views and list views pretty similar, aside from the attribute names used to interact with them. Unlike iOS, React Native takes the challenge of being flexible enough to build mobile apps and Android apps. So some of the built functions like swipe to delete and touchable highlight are not included out of the box for list views to provide the flexibility. All right, that's what I thought. Having this limitation, I had to rely on a third-party library to enable the deletion of a list view. I spent some time searching for a solution and came across the React Native swipe out library. Okay, that's cool. That might be something that we should just pull in. Let's check it out on GitHub. See how many stars and such. Okay, 2,400 stars. That's all right. Oh, no longer supported. Damn. Okay, well, we won't use you then. This one only has 1,500 stars on GitHub. Man. Shucks. Not too many issues as well. So swipe list view is a list view with rows that swipe open and closed. Handles default native behavior such as closing rows when list view is scrolled or when other rows are opened. Also includes swipe row if you want to use a swipeable row outside of the swipe list view. Okay. Okay, so for use with React Native 60 plus, please use React Native swipe list view 2.0 plus. The use file list prop is no longer required as file list is default list view used. Okay, cool. So I guess we should probably just bring this in then, eh? And go from there. We'll have to bring this in though to our iOS projects, right? iOS and Android? Or can we just bring it in here? All right, let's grab this guy. npm install save React swipe list view. Cool. Yeah, I think this will probably be, again, like we're just trying to make an MVP here. So, oh, I'm so curious how this is gonna look. This actually might look like straight up doo-doo, but I think it seems like we're gonna have a lot of flexibility to kind of change it. So let's see. The reason why is because first the height of these things, so it's gonna be the whole view. I think we need to make it circular, like the size of the button, and then swipe and tap. Oh, it does? Dude, that's sick. I'm actually didn't know that. It's really, really cool. Okay, so import swipe list view from this blah. Okay. I can do that. Well, that's great. Good stuff. Android, get out of here. Get out of here, Android. Gonna stop our bundler. So at this point, swipe list view. All right, pass in our swipe list view there. We have our style, our data, render item. We got that stuff. Okay. We got our view here. Render hidden item, data row map, view styles, right, left, right. Ah, gotcha. So these are the render hidden item are the buttons. Left option, open value, right open value. Oh, so we might want to just return a swipe row then, because then we don't have to. So, okay, should return a valid React element. This is required unless render item returns a swipe row. Yeah, I feel like we might want to do that, right? So here we just put in our swipe row, and that should be pretty good. Spell it right? I did not. I did not. Swipe row. There we go. And then swipe row. What type of setup do we need for this guy? Just the regular view, I think. What's up, Honey Pop? Welcome in. Oh, just the hidden row style. So that's dope. So we'll be able to do that, no problemo. Should the row be closed when it is tapped? Okay. So let's take then this thing. Swipe row. Do that here. Interesting project. Will it work for iOS? Well, thank you. Yeah, currently we're building in React Native, so it should work for iOS and for Android, which is sick. Yeah, it's actually a combination of a lot of issues that I've had with my music sharing experience with my friends. So basically, I'm building this app for myself. I just need me and my friends to be able to use it, and then we're good. So hopefully other people will be interested in it as well, though. All right, so we did that. Let's go ahead and rerun the bundler. Saved, yep. npm start. Which platforms does it support? Apple Music, Spotify. So we haven't gone to the actual kind of backend logic. Right now we're setting up the UI with a lot of mock data. But the plan is to have support Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, probably SoundCloud as well. But the goal is for this kind of initial release is to have the person using the app set a preferred streaming service, right? So let's say you and I are in a playlist together. My preferred streaming service is Spotify, and yours may be Apple Music. So I'm going to add a song to the playlist. And in the back end, when I add that song, I'm going to go through Apple Music, YouTube Music, SoundCloud, and I'm going to get the link for each one of those songs and store it somewhere. So when you're like, yo, I want to listen to this song that I put in, your platform will be Apple Music, and it'll pull down the Apple Music like deep link. And then you can play it like that. So you'll never have to worry about like, oh, but I don't have Spotify and this person does, you know? Yeah, that's what the hope is, at least. So we'll see. Think it should be good. Cannot read property props of undefined at swipe row at card item. Oh, did I forget something? Yeah, thanks, honey. Appreciate it. I probably forgot to add something, didn't I? Nope, it's not the right one. Data row map. I think I need that thing, whatever that thing may be. Hey, Chocolatine, what is up? Welcome back. It's nice to see you. Yes, I definitely will, honey. We'll get to a point where we have betas out. Since we are on day 20 right now, I think we're definitely still a little bit far from that because we don't even have like a backend setup. But the initial look of the app and feel is coming along really nicely, I'd say, and I'm very excited for it. I'm very excited for it. What's this row map thing? I guess I need that, right? Let's go take a look at what that is. Glitched out. Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the Pixologic team. Glad to have you here, my friend. Oh, what are you thinking about with backend? AWS, Azure? Yeah, so I was actually thinking Azure. The goal is to try to actually go fully serverless. So just a bunch of, I was thinking Azure functions that hook up to a Cosmos DB database. That would be really cool. Okay, so it looks like, yeah, should return a valid React element. Again, we are doing this here, but we need the row map for this apparently, which we didn't pass in before. But what the heck do they use row map for here? Data. Yeah, they don't even use row map. Please talk to me, friend. Talk to my friend. What? What? I'm very confused. Lambda and AWS is faster cold starts though? Does it? Yeah, I don't know. It's a thought. It's a thought. Oh, we're testing out a bot, it looks like. Okay. Okay. Genta, what's up, dude? Welcome in, man. Let's not get too spammy with that bot, you know what I'm saying? He is my friend. I don't know about that. I don't know about that. Looks like a bot to me. I missed what happened. Basically, no, it's I have an error here in my swipe row. I don't think I've set it up properly. I don't think I've set it up. I need to go to example.js. Where is that? Yeah, let's go here and take a look. Yeah, give me 1 second. Let me go ahead and get this in here. So oh, wait a minute. No. I think I should be good. Let's go over here. So this was swipeless view. We render the item, and then we have to render the hidden item. So the render hidden item was the one that we actually... Okay, hold on. I think I messed this up. No, swipeless view is good. Card item, I wrapped in swipe row. But that's for the actual actions, not my entire row, right? So obviously that's not going to work. Yeah, okay. That's what the issue is. I messed up. I did completely the wrong thing. We need to do our render hidden item. But I was going off of this idea that... Why did they make this width so small? Render hidden item. How to render? Okay, should return a valid React element. This is required unless render item returns a swipe row. Okay, no, so that was right then. But we need to... Oh, that's per row behavior. Gotcha. Yeah, it's different. Okay. Okay, I think what I should probably do is make another component then. Since we will be doing render item. Render item. And then let's just return, we can do another one. Render hidden item. And then we can make it specifically, which would be good. Typically they would stick the same format as flatless render item. Yeah, so but it looks like they have two, right? So they have one for render item, but not for the other one. But this works. So you'll have to update render item to item instead of item. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Yeah, no, I think I understand what you're saying. But I had the initial setup incorrect. So now I think we have it up correct. We have it correctly. Like render item is returning what it should be returning. But we have now this idea of render hidden item. And from the docs, it renders this component behind the rendered item. And then we just have to set a swipe direction on the swipe list view. And then at that point, our new component can be rendered for each section, right? Our hidden item behind it. So now I just make the hidden item like action, and then we can render that in there, and we should be good to go. Fari Wings, what's up? Welcome into the team. Glad to have you here. Ornog live too. Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome both to the Pixelogic team. Again, glad to have you here. Yo, Lil Kaz, what's up? Hello, aliens. Yes, we're all aliens here. Okay, Poopa, gotcha. And so at this point, this is the one we're gonna want to return as like our call a swipe action for now. We're gonna need to bring this in. Obviously, we're gonna need to create it as well. Swipe action.js, and this is where we can grab this guy. New const swipe action. All right, this is getting very annoying. Please stop. Please stop. Okay, so the reason why you need a hidden item is because the hidden item is the actual like swipe action. So as you move over the table item, that item becomes unhidden, if that makes sense. No, but that's not what I'm. Wait, but then how does the styling actually work here? My understanding, let me read this one more time. Render hidden item. How to render a hidden row in flatlist renders behind the row. Should return a valid React element. This is required unless render item returns a swipe row. So we're not returning a swipe row unless we wrap it like you're saying. Okay. No, I think you're right. And that's what I understood at the beginning, but let's try one more time. Yeah, so it should be called... Man, making me doubt myself so hard, dude. Swipe row. Right? we wrap this thing, and then we got to do whatever that bind shit they're talking about is, which was this dot do something dot bind this. You don't need bind, but why? This is a touchable opacity thing. As a topmost element. Yeah, so this is what was coming up for swipe row. Oh, only need to bind functions like function? Ah, gotcha. Okay, okay. Infinite Solenoid, thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the Pixologic team. Glad to have you here, friend. I didn't know that. Okay, so then if we're good there, we should be good to go. Carry it. Thank you very much for that follow as well. Welcome to the team. Glad to have you here. Cannot read property props. Why is it undefined? Hey, carry it. Welcome in. Oh, maybe because we don't have this thing? Let's add these props in real quick. Because I don't think we're giving it like any sort of swipe direction. So that would be no good, right? Let's try that. Render visible content. Okay, so this dot props children. Oh, there's no props there? Children. Data. Render item. Render hidden item. We don't need this because we're passing in a swipe thing. This is what I don't understand. I'm very confused by this because this render hidden item, like these are the actual actions, right? These are these. When they swipe, that's it. So if you don't have that, then it doesn't have anything to render. So by wrapping this whole thing in a swipe row, like there's nothing in here. There's no action. Does that make sense? I don't know. What is on card item row 41? At card item row 41. Swipe row, yeah. And then yeah, there's no props here. So we're also maybe just missing something. We're also maybe just missing something. They don't do a very good job at saying what's required in this thing. Like, this should be it. Oh, exactly 2 children. What? What? Okay, so the hidden row style and the visible row style. That's okay. That's what the children thing is. I understand now. So this is, I guess this would be the hidden row style. It probably matters the order, right? So hidden row style, then visible one. Some crazy cool action. There it is. Yep. That's what we missed. Webface CA, what is up? Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the Pixologic team. I'm glad to have you here. Holy follow, Batman. Thank you all for the follows. Appreciate it. Mohoik. Welcome in. Glad to have you. Yeah, see, there it is. You can kind of, there's no styling, but you can see it up there on the top. Actually, yo, that looks pretty sick. So you can see that it's literally being rendered behind the the cards. But how do we poke the little head out there? Has a nice effect. That looks pretty good. Cheers. Yeah, thanks for coming in, Webb. What's going on today? Zanfer 1980. What is up? Thank you so much for the follow. Appreciate you being here. All right. So now we understand what's going on. So that's good. But I think at this point we need to probably create another component for this action. But so this is saying you explicitly you must pass the swipe row exactly 2 children. The first will be rendered behind the second. So does that mean so we have all these things like stop right swipe. Gotcha. We have all these props. So I guess let's start with creating a swipe thing here. All right, this will actually be kind of fun. So we still do need this. I'm wondering if this takes 2, how did they get it to be like 2 actions in 1? Does that make sense? Like this. Right 1, right 2. Let's see if that's in that example. Right 1. We have right and left. So swipe row. Oh, left. Oh, I put them in the wrong spot. So left, right. Yeah, I'm curious to see how they did the right and left. Interesting. Okay, I guess we'll start with 1, right? I mean, we're only going to have 1 action right now, which is going to be delete, but it would be cool to later on be able to have more than 1 action. So we'll call it a swipe action. And then we're going to create that here. So this swipe action is of type. Oh, I guess it doesn't have to be of type swipe row anymore. Because we're just mapping our card item as a swipe row. We just need the proper swipe action here. Flat list we don't need. Touchable opacity we probably will need, right? And then we have our swipe row action here. So we're going to return some cool thing. And then we probably want to pass in some props here like action name. And then like the actual action. And so first we can start with, and maybe like action color, something along those lines, because I have a feeling that we're going to want to change the colors if we do, right? The way that I'm thinking about this is we swipe over when you have like the 3 balls. There we go. So you have our view, and our view is going to, wait, what? Why did it remove my params here? And then here we're going to just have like a text. Text will start in with our name. And then this will probably be a touchable opacity button now that I think about it. And we'll do an on press. Pass in our actual action. Excuse me. Pass in our name. And then we'll also create our style sheet. So const styles will equal to a style sheet dot create. Put that there. And we'll say background maybe? And then background we can also do action color. We'll probably need to pass in, right? So action color. Then we can say background color is equal to action color. And then we can say style is equal to, or style is equal to styles dot background, pass in action color, right? Something like that. And so, get out of here, swipe bro. Swipe action. So let's import swipe action. Import swipe action from swipe action. And then we have swipe row. Oh shit, this is the wrong one. Come on now, Alec. Get it together, buddy. Here we go. Oh no, I was right. This is the right one. We just need to add it here. So this is going to be swipe action. And again, we're passing in a name, an action, and an action color. So name is going to equal delete. Action is just going to be hello. And then we have the action color, which also can just equal white. Cool. So I think that works. I think that should work at least. Name, action, action color. We set our background there. On press, action, and name. Let's restart bundler as we added a new file, and then hopefully we should be pretty good. What did we forget here? Oh, that doesn't look right there. I think this was meant to go there. Yeah, okay. Card item, yep, 41. Am I missing one more? I don't. Do I? Oh, I still need to do this, right? Maybe it got stuck. Du, 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 du. Okay, that was really weird. Anyways, so we go in here. Yeah, there you can see it in the background. You see it? Can I press it? Yes. Oh no, hold on. I can like sort of press it, but not really. I need to be able to actually see it. Okay. Well, so that does work. We are getting the proper stuff, which is fantastic. But now let's let's style it up a little bit, eh? Just realized it's fine there. So I'm thinking. This is what I'm a thinking. Let's first grab this, move that over here, and then we're going to do like this guy moved off over here on the side. And then, oh man, sketch. How do we do this? I can do that, and I can do that, right? And then we can do like intersect. No, difference. Ooh, no, subtract. Oh god. Sketch help. It almost looks like we're gonna need to put this. So yeah, literally I'm just looking for something like this, and I think this will be pretty easy to make. White looks better? Thanks, Glitched. Yeah, I think that's gonna look pretty good. All we gotta do, let's go ahead and build out the circle or the oval, and then we'll import the icons to the different bundles. So first thing, we got this touch opacity thing. We got a background, which will be our background color. So in this instance, we'll pass in this red, and then we need we know it's always going to be a circle. So other than the background color, we're going to need a width. We're going to need a width and height, right? This is supposed to have a... Okay. Width is going to be, we were saying 60. That. So we're gonna do a 60, and then we're also going to do a height of 60 as well. What's up, Valdene? Welcome in. And then so background color, width, height, and corner radius is going to be 30. Valdine, thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the Pixologic team. Glad to have you here, my friend. All right, cool. So we got that, and let's just grab the color of this circle real quick. There it is. And then we will add that to our constants as well. And then one thing I wanted to add were these guys on our swipe row. Like this. All right, let's see it. Oh, well, it's not. The corner radius, is it border? Oh, it's border radius probably, right? I always mess them up. There it is, yeah. Cool, so that looks good. 60, and then what we're going to need to do, it's kind of annoying it doesn't like center it, but I guess it's not a huge deal, right? Again, we're going to need, we're not going to use text. We're going to use icons as well. So this is actually going to be an image, which we will need here. Not image background, but just image. Or maybe we will need image background. Don't really remember. So we should do the image here. And then I think image has like alt text. That's what we should put. Alt text. Or no? Oh, poop. Don't really remember. This is gonna give me some errors. So let's work with actually just centering this thing. So if we have this component also has some styles. So on the button itself we have that, but we can also pass in the card items here. On this, what we can do is we can say pass in some parent properties maybe? Or can I just do a... Maybe not align items. Hold on. There's a couple things I was thinking of. No. It's just alt delete icon. Oh, okay, cool, cool. Thanks, Jesse. So what I'm thinking is I need to bring this down. We can use flex probably for that, right? It's pretty good. But I can never remember how to use the flex here. Because if we have our parent is our playlist view, within this row, I want to bring it down, right? So I want to align this. I think I would do it here, no? So in swipe row, my swipe action should be justify content center. Yeah. So we're in column already. So if we want to just center it vertically. Yeah, this I added this to my my bookmarks. I know I'm so bad with it, dude. I don't know what the deal is. I cannot remember it. I cannot remember. I don't know why. I don't know why. I know it's not okay. So it's align items. That's what it is. Justify content. Come on, Alec. Remember this. Remember this. Justify content does it horizontally, right? Flex on, flex R, space around, or no, or adds the spacing. Align items. Yeah. Center will do it horizontally, but if we change the flex direction, then it will do it the other way, right? So flex direction, row, align items, centers vertically, justify content, centers horizontally. Yes, okay. And then other way for column. But it's automatically set for column, right? So if it's set for column, then justify content would center vertically, which is what we want. So justify content would be what we want. Right? I think that makes sense. But with justify content, right? I just realized something that we might want to actually... What if we move this here? Wonder how this is going to render out for us. Oh shit. Guess I copied that. Because that's technically the container, right? Oh shit. Whoa, dude. It's trippy. Yeah, no, it's not what I want. It does some fanciness, I guess, that I don't feel like looking into right now. So we'll need a swipe row or swipe container. In here, justify content would be center. This is what I'm trying to do. I think that's what I want. We're about to find out. Yeah, so I'm just trying to center my... Let me show you right now. Let's see if this maybe would have worked. Okay, so I'm trying to center this down here. That's all I'm trying to do. And I thought if I did swipe row, since I assume that this was a swipe row, I did justify content of the entire parent, then the content inside should be justified to the center. Does that make sense? Have you used Inspector yet? No, I haven't. I have not. Oh, can we not? No, we can, right? Oh, no, it's the inspector for this. God damn it. Control D. Yeah, you can do Control I as well. Card item. Swipe action. So flatless. Virtualize. Cell render. Okay. Card item. Swipe action again is right there. So the card item is the one I'm looking for. And then my swipe action is right there. So I just want to move that guy down. Yeah, and we have justify content here. And that's it. Yo, honey, what's up? Nice red dot. Yo. Thank you. I love it. I love red dots. It's so good, right? It's so good. Do I need to put justify content on this guy? No. No, that wouldn't make any sense. Or would it? Let's find out. So remove you. No. Go to card item one more time. Oh, gotcha. Yeah, hold up. Let me put this back on. So that obviously wasn't it. Card item. Card item. Yeah, so we have justify content center, which makes sense, right? But that didn't work. So what about just trying align items? Well, its parent is animated component. Oh, or touchable opacity? Yeah, they seem to be on. Gotcha. Oh, so maybe it's that. And this is in swipe action line 15. But that's what I just tried. So card items here. Swipe actions there. Right? And so like I guess this is technically this. Right? Swipe action. And card item is its parent. So card item should be the one that gets justify content. But this is what I want. Hold up there a second. Oh, snap. Whoa. That is not what I want. Try to change that red button to height 100%. Ah, that could be it. Yeah. Whoa, that's a cool action. Do you have display flex? Yeah, so from my understanding, every every view that's created in React Native already has display flex defined. But maybe not. Yeah, so it looks like it worked. Or like the height worked there. But do we, yeah, maybe we have to do display flex? No. Yeah, I thought that would have been it. Yeah, parent isn't centering it. Right, because let's look at one more thing here. This is our view, touchable opacity, swipe action. Yeah, swipe action, and then card item. And this is the parent in the card item, right? The topmost one. Display flex with align items? Yeah, I think it's going to do it the other way, though. We have to pass it to swipe action. Wait, I'll have to pass this? Styles for the parent wrapper view of the swipe row object. Yeah, so this is swipe container. Swipe container contains justify content center. And then you're saying, oh, it needs to be on here? Oops. What the fuck? Jesus. All right, let's try it. Swipe row style, justify content center. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's why it's weird. So this is the swipe row should be this entire component behind the main one, which is touch opacity. So my thought was, okay, I got my swipe row here. Why don't we go ahead and just apply the justify center to the row, to that, right? And then the children inside of it should have that. Yeah. Yeah, no, that's not it. I'm not sure, but I gotta go, so we'll have to stop here, but this is okay. We're getting there. We got a working button. We got a working slide action. All that stuff is cool, but appreciate you all coming out today. Yeah, I'm gonna look through it. We'll figure it out. Appreciate you all coming by. Thanks for being here as part of the Pixelogic team. Yes, Poopa, thanks for all the help. Thank you. Thanks for all the follows, say everyone. If you haven't followed the channel, consider dropping a follow. I'm here Monday through Friday, 12:30 p.m. UTC and 5:30 a.m. PST. Would love to have you back here working on Grüvee with me. We're getting close. We're coming far. And I'm excited. And if you're new and you want to check out some cool content, some other great people in our community, go to our Discord. Right there's the link. Join in, talk about dev, talk about anything. We got a cool community over there, so appreciate you. But at the end of every stream, we always love throwing a little raid. So let's go ahead and see who's on Twitch. See who we got to show some love today. People in the programming community. Well, actually, living in a wheelchair is on. Yo, Jesse Codes, thank you so much for the follow, friend. Glad to have you here. Appreciate you being here. Living in a Wheelchair is actually a really cool channel. They've been going on for a little while now, but this guy Roger has a lot of really cool inventions and is trying to get entrepreneurs to work on some of his ideas, because unfortunately now he can't. So let's go ahead and throw them a raid. And let's try something new today, since Area 51 is here and alive. Let's try this raid message. Where are the aliens? Go ahead, grab that message. If you're not a sub, don't worry. Let's do this one. Where are the aliens? If you're not a sub, grab that second message. If you are a sub, grab that first one. And let's go show Living with a Wheelchair some love. Ada Lan. Where are the aliens? Area 51, man. Thank you all for being here again. Let's go show some love to this other channel. And I will catch you all same time, same place next week. Peace and love, friends.